Good morning, friends! Today is a very exciting day because Alex and I are going to go get our Christmas tree, and we are especially excited because we've never lived in a house that is big enough for us to have a full-size real Christmas tree before, so this is our first time ever getting one and we wanted to take you along with us. So let's go get our tree! We're on our way to go get our Christmas tree. I'm so excited. It's raining outside right now, but we're playing Christmas music and pretending it's snowing. So we have a little house and a little car, so we have to find a little tree. Yeah, I think that's a good size. Is that the one?
Yeah, let's
Okay, good. We got our tree! Somehow we were able to fit a 6.5-foot tree into our tiny car, but we did it! Yay! We got our tree! I love it so much. It's a Fraser fir and it smells absolutely amazing and it looks really, really pretty in our living room. So Alex and I are going to put on some music, make some drinks and snacks, and start decorating.
love it.
Every year on this day, I feel so alone. This time I'm with you, babe. I don't mind the cold. You don't have to leave me boxes underneath that evergreen. Wrap yourself with bows and ribbons. That's the best gift for me.
The tree is looking so pretty, and I'm so happy with how these snow-covered pine cone ornaments turned out. These are the pine cones I made in my last video, and I will link it for you below in case you'd also like to make them. But I've been using these to decorate all over the house, and to turn them into ornaments, I just took a little bit of thin velvet ribbon and attached it to the top with a glue gun, and I think they look so pretty on the tree. So we're going to take a quick break from decorating and make some dried flower ornaments. I picked up these round glass clear ornaments from Michael's last week, and I'm going to fill these with some dried flowers. I got a few bunches of flowers from Trader Joe's a couple of weeks ago, and I hung them upside down to dry, and now they are completely dry. So we're going to use these and some moss to fill the glass ornaments.
Think the weather's kinda cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play, what a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist, and those red lips are longing for a kiss. Come along out and play, what a wonderful day. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brightening up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Whoa, whoa, I love
So much for watching and spending the day with us. Today was such a fun and special day, and I'm so glad we got to share it with all of you. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time, friends. Good night.